Today, Grayscale Investments, a leading digital asset fund manager, submitted a filing to the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission, SEC, to convert its Ethereum trust into a spot Ethereum ETF. The move comes as other financial companies like VanEck, Bitwise, and ProShares launch Ethereum Futures ETFs, a calculated move for Grayscale's Ethereum trust. Grayscale has formally lodged a Form 19B4 with the SEC, looking to turn its Ethereum trust into a physically backed ETF on the NYSE Arca exchange. As we file to convert ETH to an ETF, the natural next step in the product's evolution, we recognize this as an important moment to bring Ethereum even further into the U.S. regulatory perimeter, Grayscale CEO Michael Sonnenschein told Globe Newswire. The Grayscale Ethereum Trust, established in March 2019, currently manages assets worth nearly $5 billion. The timing of Grayscale's Form 19B4 filing is important, coinciding with the launch of Ethereum Futures ETFs from other financial players like VanEck, ProShares, and Bitwise. While these companies have moved forward with futures-based offerings, Grayscale seeks to create a spot Ethereum ETF, differentiating its approach from competitors. Grayscale is not only focused on its spot Ethereum ETF, but also has plans to convert its Bitcoin trust into a spot ETF. It is facing legal complications with the SEC over the approval of this conversion, however. Future plans more than just a spot Ethereum ETF. In addition to its efforts to establish a spot Ethereum ETF, Grayscale also has plans to launch an Ethereum Futures ETF based on cash-settled CME futures contracts pending regulatory approval. David Laval, Grayscale's global head of ETFs, noted that the filing was another important milestone as Grayscale continues to build its best-in-class ETF team, product suite, and capabilities, serving investors as a globally respected asset manager with unmatched crypto expertise. In short, Grayscale's move to convert its Ethereum trust into a spot Ethereum ETF comes at a time when the market is seeing a surge in Ethereum Futures ETFs. While other firms are focusing on futures-based products, Grayscale's pursuit of a physically backed offering could set it apart. The company's ongoing regulatory challenges and planned expansions indicate that Grayscale is working on multiple fronts to solidify its position in the ETF market.
Yeah, we have, something like 9 Ether futures getting approved by the SEC. What do you think is driving that? What drove that approach to do it all at once? Particularly that these are ETFs that focus on futures contracts. Of course, they're holding back on ETFs that would do anything in the spot market. Is this sort of a way to placate the crypto industry and say, look, we'll let you have all these things out there because we're probably going to reject it in coming months, a spot ETF, but you should be more than happy that we got your futures ETF, get off our backs. So you think that's kind of the thinking the SEC has here, or is there some other reason why they just...
In a way, I think this was an inevitable move because, we've have futures Bitcoin ETFs already in the market. We've had them for 2 years. So there really is no good reason why Ethereum ETFs would be any different. So the SEC, I think, had no real ground to deny all these applications. Now, do they impact at all how the spot race changes? Probably not. The impact should be the same we've seen with the Bitcoin futures products, which is, nothing has really happened. There has been no acceleration on the spot chase. So I think this is just the SEC doing what it has to do, which is approve these products. They have no real reason to say no. We've had the Bitcoin futures products have worked really well. Price discovery works well. Access works well. They have really no issue to flag these products as any different from that. But, is that going to change what happens now with the spot race? I think the way we interpret this as is this just one more step in the right direction? Is it one more step in trying to mainstream access to crypto assets through ETFs? But the race for the spot access, that remains unchanged. We continue to wait for the SEC to soften its stance on that front.
Cynthia,